This is my face before using the CeraVe Gel Moisturizer. I am a super dry person. I don't know if you can tell right here. This is the moisturizer. It's ultra light. I don't like an oily feeling, but I'm such a dry person that I need something that's really gonna work. I feel like it lasts a long time. I don't have an issue with still feeling very dried out. I feel like it goes on extremely well, super light, just like it says. This is it once fully applied. You can see it just gave like a nice glow to my skin. And then this is it about 5 minutes later. It kind of like the glow kind of wore off, but you can still see it's super moisturized. I don't feel like I have to reapply this in the evening, and it has not made me break out. It also sits really well under makeup. It doesn't like leave you oily to where your makeup is just sliding off. I feel like it soaks into your skin really well.